Good evening. This is our 8 KLD DM plant design, and which we are explaining this 8 KLD DM plant, which this is automatic, fully automatic plant. This is a cationic vessel in which we are dosing the caustic for pH neutralization. In which anionic we are using HCl for soft regeneration. In mixed bed we are using both HCl and caustic for mixed bed regeneration for resin charging purpose. This is the treated water tank in which 5000 kLT capacity, in which RO treated water is storing in this tank. We are using, this is the main feed tank, which the pump we are using. This is the main feed tank, and we are using this. We are using TDS meters and inlet flow meters, and what is the outlet flow meter. This is automatic control panel. This is automatic softener regeneration valve, in which it automatically control rinse and doing the drain and feed level. This is the main concept we are designed for. And which we are using HCl as a caustic reagent media. This is anionic vessel in which we are using the caustic as a reagent agent. For both mixed bed, we are using HCl and caustic for maintaining of pH level. And for using for salt regeneration purpose, we are using this total regeneration tank, dosing tank. This is automatically function based on the connectivity, which is based on flow level. It automatically do the regeneration purpose.